Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a device like your controller from your PlayStation 5. Maybe you're having some issues with it and you just need to reconnect it to fix any kind of Bluetooth issues. So let's go up to Settings and then scroll on down. And we want to go to Accessories. This will be your controllers and your headsets. Go to General. Then we can go to Bluetooth Accessories right here, and then find your DualSense wireless controller, or maybe your PS4 controller, which will be something a little bit different, DualShock 4 wireless controller, and then we have the PSVR 2 controllers right here. So you can just go to it, select it, and we want to go to Delete, and that will remove it from our PlayStation 5. So you can see the two options, Connect or Delete. Then we're going to have to reconnect it by holding down the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. This will put our controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode, and then we need a second controller or a remote to connect it, and it should show up under Accessories Found right here. We just have to select it with our second controller and we can reconnect it really easily. Otherwise we need a USB cable and we need to connect it to the USB port on the controller, and then we just need to press the PlayStation button. It'll reconnect real quick, and that should fix any kind of issues that you're having with the wireless signal, whatnot, with your controller. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.